guys, so my video for today is about repairing a solar Christmas light. So this is the solar panel, which I do not know if it's busted already or the battery is busted. So the chargeable battery inside is busted. So whether the solar panel or the battery is busted, it's no longer practical to buy a battery for this purpose, because the cost in buying a new one and buying a battery has a little difference. Okay, so it's no longer practical to repair it by buying a new battery, a chargeable battery. So these are chargeable batteries from my emergency light, chargeable emergency light. So this is a chargeable battery. So there's no indication whether how many amperes or milliamperes that battery is. But this battery from the other solar I have. So this is a AA battery, 1.2 volts and 800. That's 800 milliamperes. Okay. There it is. Okay. So I cannot find. I'm searching online and I cannot find a 800, 1.2 volts, 800 milliamperes battery. So my option is to use a USB, the one which I previously purchased here. So to use the USB as my source of power. So this time it will no longer be solar, chargeable by the solar panel, but it will be powered through USB and from the electrical outlets. So this is an extension wire with USB which I just purchased recently. Okay? So what I have to do is to remove it. To remove the solar power. The solar panel. Of course, including the battery. Okay? We'll detach it. There it is. I just have to no longer use the battery and the charger. Okay, including the solar panel. So I will no longer use it. But I'll just put them aside, and someday maybe I'll find some other projects to use this solar panel if it's still okay. So the simple, the electronic diagram is very simple. So one resistor, one capacitor, and the three-way switch, light switch. So off at the center, then the other side is the rhythm of the lights. Okay, both sides. So the blinking is different. The other side, the left side, I mean the right side and the left side. So the center is off. So very simple schematic diagram. Okay, one resistor and one ceramic condenser. So can easily be cut. Okay, but I will no longer use it. Maybe someday after I troubleshoot it, if it's still working, then I can find parts and busted resistor, capacitor. battery is the one busted, which just like this one. It's fully discharged, so I can no longer use it. I have to buy, but it's impractical to use to buy a battery. This will just cost more than 100, I think around 150 pesos. And you can buy a battery almost the same. Maybe I can save it's no longer practical. What I have to do is to use a USB cable. This one, so USB. Then try to attach it. Okay, so there are two lines. This one with the white stripes is the negative, then this is the black is the negative, the positive. Okay, so I just have to move it. So I'll just try it if it will work. guys are from my networking cables from LAN. Okay? LAN cables. Actually, this is really for networking cables. The one that we use for internet connections in different workstations. So this is a long cable. So I just have to use them as my extension cable for the USB. Okay? some from the USB charger. Okay? So, this is the one that you have to take note. The green, okay, the green wire is a data wire. Okay, data wire. So you have to cut that. Okay. Then the white wire is also a data wire. So that is useless. No power. The red is the positive. The black is the negative. But in my Christmas light, this is formerly a solar light which we're going to convert to a powered light. Electric powered lights. Christmas light. Okay? So the cable is black and stripe of black and white. So the stripe of black and white, when it is a stripe, it's a negative. Okay? So instead of using the black to black, we will use the black which is negative and on the ground and connect it to the black. Okay? Take note. The stripe is a negative, but in the USB cable, the black is the negative. Okay? The red is the positive. So the red, you have to connect that to the black which is in the Christmas light. The black is the positive. Okay? Okay. So we just have to test it. So, okay. So from a solar, from a busted solar Christmas light, but the lights are still good, so don't throw it. You can still use it, but this time it will be powered by your outlet, by your electrical lights. Okay? Of course, it's more brighter compared to the solar lights, the solar powered light. Okay? It's brighter. Okay? This time around, guys, I have to speak in English because my attention really is for the international audience. I don't have the time to make a subtitle. So I'll just have to speak in English so that everyone will understand whether it is a local Filipino or a foreigner. Okay? My apologies to my Filipino friends. I have to do it in English because I'm not sure if I still have the time to make the subtitle in my video. Okay? So, in the time, I'll have to put some extension wire because I have to use that I have to use two sets of wire because I have two Christmas lights. So I just have to, I will only use one USB cable. Although I have a lot of USB cable. If you choose to use two USB cables, then it will also be okay. Anyway, I'll use two so that I can demo the second time. Okay? So just cover it to avoid contacts between the two lights. In order to avoid short circuit and avoid damage to your lights. Okay? Yeah, to avoid damage to your lights. This is the LED lights. You can connect to Christmas lights in the same USB cable, but I just have to separate. I have nine cables, so I don't throw them. When my mouse is busted or my USB cable charger is busted, I kept the cables because I know that someday I can use them in some other things. Okay? So we just have to connect one Christmas lights, one set of Christmas lights for each USB. So saving from in electrical consumption or current consumption, power consumption is no longer applicable because this time around we are just making use of this busted Christmas light. So this will add to your consumption. But it's good compared to buying a new one. By nature, this is really disposable. But you can still repair it using your DIY abilities. Stripes of blue and white is negative, and black to blue is positive. wire to the Christmas light. Okay? So, it's ready already to install outside. I decided to buy this extension wire with plug and with USB outlets. The purpose is this is multi-purpose, not only for Christmas light. I bought this not only for Christmas light. So, very cheap. This is more than pesos. I will show to you the price. Okay? So, saving more than 100 pesos for a Christmas light. Okay? And the other one. I bought these guys last year. It's a night video. Last December. So it's Christmas time again. So instead of buying a new one, I'm just repairing this. I can still repair this chargeable solar electronic parts. Okay, I can still repair it, but I prefer it to use the USB because I have a lot of siyempre the cost of the battery, which is not practical. The chargeable, the panel, the solar panel itself can no longer store power to my batteries because I have a lot of lamps, I have a lot of trees. So, it's not the direct heat of sunlight. Power that stored for one day can only be consumed at night time. A little less than, I think less than 1 hour. So it's practical. It's impractical really to use solar Christmas light in a place where there's no direct heat of sunlight. Okay? lights will not be busted. Okay? Test. If this USB cable is not busted, I think the USB cable is busted, guys. Look for another one. Okay. It's busted. We'll try this one. So we just plug lines. Cables inside, cables. This white. White, brown, and black. Okay. See if this cable is not busted. So we just have to cut this two lines. These are data lines. So the green and the white. Okay. And ground. Okay. So brown is positive. So different brands have different colors. But the green and white cables are data lines. It's really common. The green and the white is data lines. So you have to cut them. There's no power in them. Okay, I have to attach the extension wire. cables have 8 cables inside, 8 lamps. Okay? So common is blue, orange, brown, and green. So each color are partnered with stripes. So blue is partnered with stripes of white and blue. Brown is partnered with stripes of brown and white. Green is partnered with the stripes of green and white. And orange is partnered also with orange and white. video, then don't forget to hit that like button and you can share the idea